Welcome to day 30!
Stick to become a wand. I've just sanded these, both of them, and now I've got to find some crystals that will work on them.
My microphone went out. So I have finished putting some copper resin in that little space. And then I've dug a hole now for this Herkimer diamond. It's bigger than many I've had in the past. It's really, really beautiful, and it was expensive. But wow, it looks so good there. It's really unusual. It's not a perfect crystal, but it's really nice, and I like it there. And I'm now going to show you how to wax the stick. I take just furniture, Minwax furniture wax, and rub it on the stick. This is how I lay it in, pushing, of course, and rubbing. But I'm just putting it all over the stick, and I'm not really trying to buff it yet. So once I lay all the wax, it's just paste, and I rub it on. Then I buff it. So just take the drier part of the cloth and rub it so there's friction so that the wax can melt a little bit and go all over the surface. This is what helps it to have that glossy feel and shine to it. And it makes the stick feel really great. And then I am getting ready to dig a hole for this little point crystal that's sitting on a cluster. And it's really small. It's not a big cluster, and it's got the main crystal. So when I dig a hole for this kind of crystal, I have to use the bottom of it as the measure for putting it on the stick. So if the bottom of it fits, then I can dig the hole. I'm not using the top of it, just the bottom of it as the measure for digging a space for this crystal to fit in the bottom of the wand where I put point crystals. So it'll have the Herkimer and the point crystal.
I just glued this Herkimer diamond at the top of this diamond willow wand with the copper resin insert. And then I will, after this dries, I'll glue the point crystal at the bottom. Okay, I have just glued the point crystal where the Herkimer diamond is at the top. And now I have to wait for it to dry. Otherwise, this is complete. The finish is wax.
It looks amazing.
This is the copper diamond wand. Copper diamond wand.